Hello judges, today I am going to demonstrate what a smart city can look like and how can we make a normal city a smart city. So let's get started. A smart city is an area that uses various types of sensors to collect data which helps in managing assets, resources and services efficiently and is used to improve the operations across the city. Data is collected from citizens, devices, buildings and assets and is then processed to monitor and manage traffic and transportation systems, power plants, utilities, water supply networks, waste, crime detection information systems, schools, libraries, hospitals and other community services. The city will feature everything from lighting system to traffic management system. There are various ways in which we can help manage this traffic. Adaptive traffic signals. Traffic signals are getting smart through ATS technology. The city will use data from its vehicles to improve the timing of traffic signals. By getting a better idea of traffic flow, how long a vehicle idles at stoplights, the city can better modify traffic signal timing with the changes in traffic throughout the day. The city will feature technologies which will help the residents to know about the vacant parking spaces. There will be sensors on the floor which will detect if the space is vacant or not. The sensor will work on the basis of light and laser to know if space is available or not. The city will also be designed to make the maximum use of sunlight to generate maximum possible sun energy and help make our city green. The city will be designed while keep wind flow in mind. The building will be aligned by their height and the city will get a good wind flow. All this can be done on a 3D model of the city. The city will also showcase smart lights which will sense when a person moves and will increase and decrease brightness upon that. This all will be done through one app which the residents can download for free to use all its functionality. This app will work on a 5 GHz connection which helps in better connectivity and reliable connection. All the data collected will be saved in a secure Indian data server which will serve all the functions of the city. We can also convert a normal city to a smart city by creating its 3D models and installing sensors that will make a normal city a smart city. This was all what I think can make a normal city a smart city, which will make everything more efficient and effective. Thank you for your precious time.